Hello people, this is Bora of Bora Closet, and it was my wedding on the 7th and 8th of March, and I decided to make my bridal hand fan by myself and all my outfits. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this bridal hand fan customized for myself, and it includes the fabric I used for my dress here. You can see the fabric on the other side of where the name is. And that is what we're doing right now. Let's get started with it. So for the hand fan, I got this hard net. What's it called again? If you remember the name, please. Something pockety or something. So I cut like 8 out of the remnant that I had. And then I cut this part of my dresses, satin part also. So I placed it like this. Inside the circle, I made it bigger, and I also cut the fabric for the other side. So I went ahead to place the pockety together with gum. So here I have 4 pockety standing here. It's just to make it strong. You can use carton if you don't have this hard net. I really can't remember what the name is exactly, but it's that hard net that makes dresses stand. So here I am attaching the fabric to the hard net, and this is a fabric for my clothes. This is a damask fabric, so I'm putting the fabric together, and this is what I have at the end of the day after gumming the fabrics to the hard net in a circular form. So you can cut your circle with any bowl. I used a bowl in the house, not so big. The bigger your bowl, the bigger the hand fan. So the one I used here is just a normal small bowl round measurement. So I had this pipe also, which I got from my house. Somehow we have a lot of these pipes around from the electrical work that an electrician came to do. So I just just cut out of it, and then this is what I'm going to be using for the handle of the fan. This tassel here is what is going to go in here, just like you see it that way. And then this trimmings is what I will place around the pipe with my gum. You can use any type of gum, but I'm using candle wax with a gum gun. Then I'm going to be taking that around the pipe. So when I was done, this is what I have. When I was done passing the trimmings all around the pipe, and then I'm going to place it in between these 2 circles I already made and gum them together. So this is the end result of what I have here. You can see the tassel. This is like the base for the fan. So from this base you can design anything you want. You can do any design that you want. This is the result when I was done. I decided to put Bora on it, which is the name of my brand, and I used feathers for both sides, and then the trimmings also. Sorry I couldn't show you how I was gumming this. I did it in the night and I was trying to hurry up. But it's very simple. Just take your feathers around the circles that you have made and apply your gum to it. So this is what I have at the end of the day. But somehow my husband said no, I don't want Bora on that hand fan. So this is what I eventually changed it to Iyawola. My husband's name is Olawale, so that's why I put Iyawola eventually. I actually wanted something unique, something different, because I see this Iyawo everywhere on hand fans. So I just decided to make mine different. But no, my husband said he wanted Iyawola on my hand fan. And who am I to say no? Yeah, so as the loving and obedient wife, I put Iyawola, and oh my god, I eventually love it. You can see how I covered that middle where that Bora was, because the gum, when I removed it, the gum was still there, so I couldn't entirely hide the gum. I decided to make a demarcation with the trimmings and put Iyawo up and Ola down. And that was how the hand fan came about. And you can see me rocking it here with my traditional wear, my unconventional traditional wear, of course. And I made a video of how I put all my outfits here together. So I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to upload the video very soon once I'm done editing it. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for staying by. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.